A gas company has the following rate schedule for natural gas usage in a single-family residence. X is measured in therms of gas. So we have our piecewise function right here, and part A says find the charge for using 40 therms in a month. So 40 therms is between 20 and 50, which means we want to use this function. So 0.8385 times 40 plus 8.24, and that's going to be $41.78. Part B says find the charge for using 200 therms in a month. So 200 is greater than 50, which means we want to use the third equation. So 0.7642 times 200 plus 11.955. And that's equal to 164.795, but I want to round to the hundredths place because that makes sense. And that's probably my best joke of the semester, so I apologize. For part C it says find the charge for using 10 therms in a month. So 10 is between 0 and 20, which means we want to use the first equation. So 0.928 times 10 plus 6.45, and that's going to be equal to $15.73.